I'm Sarah Humphreys. I'm the sales director at Premier Alarms, second generation of our family business. Dad started it about 40 years ago, and we do fire and security solutions and safes based in Sevenoaks in Kent. We wanted our vehicles to really stand out. It's an important part of our brand. It's an advert for the company. So we wanted it to be a little bit different from other trades. We wanted it to reflect everything that we do in a succinct way. And we really wanted to get that call to action on the van as well. If we have grabbed someone's attention, we want them to be calling us as quickly as possible. So we work in the private client space a lot. So the space within which we work was really important. We asked Raccoon to come in and do a lot of the signage within the showroom to help emphasise that quality of the brand and what we do. We wanted it to be an interesting space. What we do, security, it's not particularly sexy. So we wanted to make the space within which we work and within which we bring clients to be as memorable as possible. So it really was important that it was an immaculate finish, it was high quality, it was bursts of colour. We wanted an art gallery feel, so it was memorable for clients, as I say, but also that people would affiliate our brand with that quality that surrounds us ultimately. So as a family business, we wanted to keep the cost of the renovation of the showroom as low as possible. So we did a lot of it in-house. Dad, who started the business, ran a lot of that project. We did face a lot of challenges in terms of being let down by a lot of trades. So the project took a lot longer than we anticipated. The project management of that was quite difficult at times. I would say though, Raccoon stood out as someone that really supported the journey. They were really creative. They were always very efficient at communicating with us. So actually they were one of the parts of the experience that was more enjoyable. We're blown away by the end result. Raccoon have been brilliant. We've always used them for the vehicle wrapping. So we've got a relationship with them that stood there for about 10 years or so, I would say now, maybe longer. So we've always worked very collaboratively with them. They've always been quite inspiring when it's come to design. And so it felt like the natural thing to work with them with the showroom. And it was a great experience, genuinely. They really were very helpful. They were always great on the communication side of things. And where we lacked that, I guess the creative side in-house, we don't have our own marketing department as a smaller business. They were able to plug those holes that we were lacking. So yeah, it was a great relationship, worked very well.